I can just feel the treasure calling us.
I hope it's something shiny. Acorns are nice, but a little sparkle wouldn't hurt.
From up here, I can see a clearing up ahead. That might be the perfect spot to start searching.
Lead the way, Indigo.
You know, with you two, even the simplest path feels like an adventure.
That's the spirit, Nutmeg. Every quest needs a little daring.
This is it. I can feel it. The treasure is near.
Let's spread out and see if we can find anything unusual.
I'll keep an eye out from here. Who knows what we might find?
Good morning, Nutmeg.
Thistle! Perfect timing. I was just thinking I needed a break from all this collecting.
How about an adventure? I've heard tales of a hidden treasure somewhere in this forest.
A treasure, you say? That sounds much more thrilling than counting acorns. Jewels that glitter like starlight? A trove of ancient nuts?
Where are you two heading on such a fine day?
We're on a treasure hunt.
A treasure hunt. I love a good quest. You've come to the right bird. I've flown over every inch of this forest.
Come on, Nutmeg. You can do it.
This looks tricky.
We've got this.
There.
What could it be?
Let's find out. Do you think this is it? The treasure?
Only one way to find out.
What's inside? Open it. Open it.
All right, here goes nothing.
Seeds, berries, nuts of every kind.
It's a treasure of nature's bounty.
This is the forest's gift to us. A treasure to be shared.
I'd say our adventure was a success.
And we didn't even need jewels or gold to find it.
The real treasure was the journey and the friends we made along the way.
Let's take this bounty and share it. It's what the forest intended.
Yes, let's. Together.
Chirping in agreement.
I'm glad we decided to do this. Sharing the forest's gifts feels like the right thing to do.
Absolutely. Besides, it's nice to know our treasure hunt wasn't for nothing.
And we have the best story to tell. An adventure to remember.
It's amazing how something so simple can bring us so much happiness.
With friends like you, even the smallest discoveries feel like treasure.
To more adventures and more friends made along the way.
Let's make sure everyone knows they are part of this treasure.
Yes, let's. Together.
It's amazing how something so simple can bring us so much happiness.
With friends like you, even the smallest discoveries feel like treasure.
To more adventures and more friends made along the way.
Let's make sure everyone knows they are part of this treasure.
Yes, let's. Together.
It's amazing how something so simple can bring us so much happiness.
With friends like you, even the smallest discoveries feel like treasure.
To more adventures and more friends made along the way.
Let's make sure everyone knows they are part of this treasure.
Absolutely, Thistle. Together, we'll share this bounty with everyone.
And we'll make new stories on the way.
With the forest as our guide, who knows what wonders await us tomorrow?
Every day is a new adventure, and with you two by my side, there's nothing we can't face.
And I'll keep watch from above, making sure we never lose our way.
Imagine all the stories we'll have to share with everyone.
We might even become legends in our own time.
Legends of the brave adventurers.